Hello, good evening, Baghdad. CCC order for delivery for the dinner. Because he has no
Open it.
this one is cooked man yan, all uncooked and what's that, sweet salad, what I mean salad man yan, silin uncooked. So na nahulog na yung ano. Mako kasi we ordered this one, we didn't order the for kids.
Why?
Because you see that you want Kentucky. Last time you order for kids. So, ayan o, cook. O, salad o, andyan yung ano, Yela. Okay,
My
ayan o.
favorite.
Ayan o. O, Yela, sit down na tayo and mag-eat.
Great.
What? Very nice yan. Nice man yan.
I want Zumia.
Makuhon no intalaja pi intalaja. Yela intalaja pi o pi. O ayan no. Ayan no, open. Open that one for you. Progress na lang yan, okay? O yela na yela it na. Ayan no, for you that one for you. And the big one is progress. Ayan no. This one for you. If you cannot eat all, bring in the school, okay? Okay? Oh. And then I make only finger, okay? Okay, Yela. I get your plate. Where is your plate? Yela, oh. Aray ko. Asan na yung tissue ko? Pull down na yung tissue natin. And for me, Coke. You want Coke
I
also?
put a lot of fingers.
Okay, Adi. It's for you. Or we save only for, what's that for? Thank you, Lord. Say thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mama,
For the dinner.
for the dinner.
Okay. And miss you, Mom. Miss you, Daddy.
Miss you.
Daddy.
That's me.
Coming soon.
Coming soon.
Oh. Ayan man, oh. Ayan, oh. Wala man, oh. Ayan, oh. Nila na eat na good. Where is my for me? Nila, it's for Grace. Okay. And this one is salad. Masarap to. Yummy man tong salad nila. Yummy. Okay. Gila. Gila, it good. Ang laki, oh. Ito na lang sa akin. Ito maliit-liit. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Madam, for the sponsor. Get your bottle. Where is your bottle, be? What you want ba? Water? Just a minute, just a minute, ha, just a minute. I get.
Hey, I drink water.
You want Coke? I give for you Coke also. Thank you again, Madam. Thank you for our dinner. Thank you for our sponsor, si Madam, for our dinner. Sabay pang ganon. Ay, nako. Ito na nga lang, just for you, for your tomorrow, for the school. I make only another finger for tomorrow. If you want also, you can make order. You can visit there. The restaurant.
Hey, friends, where's Ariel? Friends.
Drink your Coke. Drink your Coke. You want Coke or juice? Thank you again. Thank you. Shout out to nationwide and worldwide. Thank you to subscribe me. Thank you. Thank you. I finished my my live. Even you didn't watch also, at least thank you. Thank you only. Thank you.
It's lunch?
I'll make live. Lunch, dinner. Can you open? You know how to open?
Hmm?
Thank you. Lunch and dinner na to ni Grace. You, because you eat your lunch. Thank you very much, Sisi,
What?
for open the straw. Can I where is the plastic? Hindi kasi nagdala ng ano, you didn't bring a what's that? Tomorrow wake up early. You have school.
No.
So no, Katyan. It's the first day of the school. Make sure that you will not become late. After that one, we will become late na naman. This one talaga is the quickly favorite food ni Silene. You have rice tomorrow. You want rice tomorrow? Okay, thank you again. Thank you.